Okay, we're recording. Ready? You can go show everybody how you eat? There we go. Good boy. Oh, you're pooping too. Say hi to the camera. Look, show everybody how you eat. Open your mouth. Good boy. Good boy. This is Christian's third time in the high chair, doing so good. You want to take a break? You have poo-poos too? Oh, we got some backlash. Okay. Ready? Ready? Here we go. Good boy. Oh, go ahead, finish that first. Good boy. Are you staring at the camera while you're eating? Are we ready? Are you finished with that one? Whoa, you are finished. Good boy. Baby Christian's a good eater. One more. Christian. Oh yeah, good eater. He's a good eater. Ready? Good boy. He's definitely hitting the bath after this. Definitely. Christian's eating just rice, cereal, and a little bit of peaches for flavor. Yeah, good boy. Okay, say bye, Christian. You're in another world. Say bye-bye, Christian. Tell it. Christian. Baby Christian. Baby Christian. Hey. Homie, what are you looking at? What is that? Okay, say bye. You're not looking at the camera no more. Say bye. I got a mess all over me. Mommy gets to clean me up.